grow, we shine, and repeat good things using poetry. Libita lami ngingu-Fortunate Ngwakababuza lolu hlelo lakho luthandzayo lihamba embili emhlabeni wonke nje dandla nenkondlo. Uyathi masikuthi kulamalanga thina sikuvusela abangani bethu labala etikoleni labana ipoetry abagcinike ngekuyinda. Bayayithanda baphila yona. Sila eSt Michael's High School kude bafundzi ke lababili labathe you know what? Thina we wanted to show the world what we have. Baze bangixoxa ngathi mina manga. But you know how we want to show the world ukuthi thina sinani. Kunami nenhle ke wakamakakula okanye nanonjebo. But lalela la Fortunate thina sifuna ukutshengisa ukuthi wena uyadlala man. Mhlalo bayenga lababukela uthi udoba recital. Thina we going to show you the things, we're going to do it. Uzotivela ukuthi next week buya uto recital bona babukela. Asambe mbukela ngaze nguyenge uthathi bonela yena minenhle nanonjebo ukuthi when it comes to poetry benza kanjani. Nonjebo, welcome to Dandla Nenkondlo. Please introduce yourself. Ubese siyasichazela nakancane ukuthi usho ukuthini Nonjebo.
Oh, okay. Mina igama lami nginginonjebo, umhlekazi ngwakamsekwa. Nonjebo kahle kahle uchaza owner of treasure.
Okay.
Yes, it means owner of treasure. So ngifundza la St Michael's and ngihlala eMkhuzweni, yes, with my parents.
Okay. Ufundza from bani Nonjebo?
Form 4.
Okay. Nonjebo, you are a poet, right?
Yes, I am.
Okay, ufike kanjani? What made you to decide ukuthi uyathi kuthini mina tinto nje tingaka le ngingadenda for entertainment, I am choosing poetry.
So kusukela ngimncane ngathanda i-drama, right? So ngafika ke la esikoleni ngajoina for i-drama, and then my drama teacher Mr. Mabuza wangisita like I think it was some play bekudingeka ipoem lamkhathini, and then he asked ukuthi ngibani lofuna ukubhala ipoem, and I was just trying out, and it was my first time. I was not a poet ngalesikhathi leso.
Okay.
And then ngayibhala enjoy, and then ngachubeka lapho.
Okay.
Yes.
So la esikoleni sebayati ukuthi uyipoet ekhaya so iveta kanjani indzaba yakho?
Oh, ekhaya my mom is very uyifan yami ngasho njalo because ngiyamtshela mangiyoperforma or anything, so ngavela ngafika ngamrecitela and then wayithanda naye.
Okay. Akazange yini Nonjebo aba worried ukuthi songenele bo poetry idzinga ukuthi ube nesikhathi ekucabanga ubhale or even sometimes uthi khanze sebenza i-research then incenye sothi khanze so spend isikhathi lesiningi la poetry than etincwadzini. Wa-react kanjani?
Mhlawumbe beka feel kanjalo sometimes, maybe makusonzela my exam, but beka thinking kakhulu. I heard your sonorous, pleasant voice saying relax, it's gonna be okay, and I'd just abide and obey and pretend that everything is okay. It was soothing, so porphyric, making me wanna go to sleep, not just sleep and snore, but sleep and never wake up. I didn't really wanna kill myself, it's just around you all, I couldn't be myself. It's so funny how you thought I'd never notice your spectacular pretense when digging information, but I guess in your defense you didn't want to speculate or estimate what isn't but really could be. I really thought you could be someone I can trust and call a friend, but you had too many friends and all you talked about were trends and never had the time to listen. I didn't really want to kill myself, it's just around you all I couldn't be myself.
Bangani bakho bona bakusupporta kanjani or what iveta kanjani kibo ukuthi you are a poet and you are looking forward ukuthi bakusupport?
No, angibatshelanga nje ukuthi I'm a poet. Babona ngame stage and then bangisupport from that poets.
Okay. So maybe bafunzi, when was it? Morning assembly noma?
Yes.
Okay, kwenteka kanjani asosithathe usibeke kulelanga lapho liqala nje uma embi kwalabanye ureciter and uto reciter for the first time?
Bengisaba kakhulu because bengifika nala esikoleni benga form 1.
Okay.
So vele bengishaya livalo and there are so many students la esikoleni. But mangifika stage laba ngcono livalo than before ngiqale.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So now sosibhalela ke Nonjebo usibhalela ngaluphi ilimi?
Ngibhala ngesingisi but then ngake ngayibhala inkondlo yeSiswati eSonfeni bebasicelile and I was just using Bible verses kahle kahle. Yes.
Okay. Lokusho ukuthi poetry yakho uyenda la esikoleni naseSonfeni kuphela kwanyalo.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Utibona ukuphi ngepoetry yakho ke Nonjebo in the next coming years ngevanyalo ukuthi kwakho nje usa reciter la esikoleni then emasomfeni ufisile yini reciter nakuletinye tindzawo?
Yes, because I believe ukuthi poetry it can change a lot of people's situations. It can be healing to some other people. So ngathanda ku share my gifts to a lot of people.
Okay.
Yes.
Lokusho sika poetry wena na usibhalela ufocus ngala ekusilapheni or uyangena kuletinye tinhlangothi wenda kanjani?
Ish kune lomunye a poet lo utibita ngembongi yosizi. So I feel like something like that because agondeki ngende my poem like la happy or about love. Ngonota la go sensitive corner yabo for people to react emotionally.
We are the bright future. No, we were meant to have a bright future. But there's always distractions, disruptions, distorting the purpose. My aim was to succeed, but there came a man, said he loves me and adores me. Hysteria filled me, though hypocrisy filled him because of poverty. I honored him. I better was crazed by the cash, for I didn't mind the scars and bruises that he left on my flesh. Fresh clothes, but ripped heart, ripped by a heartwarming but heartless heartthrob. Well, I, as a man, die in silence because when a cry is intended, she's always defended. I'm a walking dead man, depressed by her insane insanity, planning my death to inherit my wealth, trying to pave a way to a bright future. We were meant to have a bright future.
Sekusebenzisana nalabanye bosonkondlo Nonjebo uyakwenda yini nangabe awukwendi nyalo ufisile yini kusebenzisana nalabanye?
Yes, of course ngifisile kusebenzisana nalabanye but I haven't gotten a chance kusebenzisana with other poets.
Okay, maybe lokho nala eveni long sonkondlo lohlala umbuka uthi yathi kuthini ngifisile ukuthi kibe naye ngalelinye ilanga ngisebenze naye ngibani athi khona ukubona nyalo atoba uthi hayibona ngonje basala kanti sengihamba ngedva lembili.
It has to be Christian Mas.
Okay.
Ngoba ngiyabukela ama video akhe lamaningi on TikTok and sometimes wakafika nala esikoleni. Yeah, I was happy to see him.
Okay.
Yes.
Ngibani ke Nonjebo longambonga kule journey yakho ka poetry solo nje waqala?
Ngathanda kubonga thishela wami waka drama Mr. Mabuza. Lo hlale njalo encourage njalo noma ngishaya livalo ngiyathi ukuthi ngaya kuye akhona calm down.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, kulabanye bosonkondlo bamphla basha labanemakhono labasafunda isikole njengawe. What can you say ukuthi uba encourage nabo bachubeke nemakhono abo?
I can just say ukuthi mele njalo basike guidance first, basike guidance from uNkulunkulu and but deep believe in themselves. Yeah.
At least try to listen to what I have to say. At least try to listen to what I have to say. You call yourselves my friends but never understand me, but try to influence me to become what you want to be and what you think is best for me. It's only now that I realize that it's not that you care, because nobody cares, but you see that I'm scared and you just want to go around telling people what you heard. At least try to listen to what I have to say. Don't just go blubbering, gossiping, mumbling when I pass by, forgetting that you have that mother, that sister to look up to that advise you. I wasn't stupid but naive. He promised me the world and I offered my modesty. Got minutes of satisfaction but 9 months of depression with the fear to open up. At least try to hear me out. Though your questions freak me out, I wasn't stupid but naive. At least try to listen to what I have to say.
Nje bawangikhumbuta mani lokho angekhathi tami ngesabi khuluma ngesabi kuveta lokho lekunako nawe ke nangabe nje nawo likhono lakho awuyekele lento yakhaqhazela vele uphumele ngephandle ukuthi bakubona ukuthi you know how I can do poetry, you know how I can sing, you know how I can dance. Sitawuthi yakhona emakethe nasibuya ke sitochuya khona la esikoleni sitabuya ke naye mina ehle wakhona la St. Michael's High School. Mbukele ihlelo Tandla Nenkondlo solo sikhona khona St. Michael's lapho khona sinebafundi labendayona ipoetry. You know what, namhla lendla engijabule ngayo ngilothi nje ngema ladies eningiyajabula ukuthi bathi bona bafisile ukuthi bakhulise le yabo lelinani lemamphombatana laba la ka poetry bakhona ukuthi basijoyine nami nje ngihlale nginjanga ngathi nami I am a poet. Of course nginayeke mina enhle Magagula utasicocela kabandi ngejeni yakhe ka poetry. Also we want to know ukuthi mina enhle etintweni tingaka nje why I decided by poet. Hello and welcome to Tandla Nenkondlo sejabula kuba nawe.
Yabona ngiyajabula kwanani.
Uvusela umbukele ekhaya and introduce yourself.
Ngiyanivuselala ababukele ekhaya. Libito lami mina enhle ngwaKaMagagula. Ngifundza khona la St. Michael's High School.
Okay, ufundza from bani?
Ngifundza from 4.
All right, sejabula ke kwathi mina enhle. Ka poetry utibitanga mina enhle o sikhona stage name sakho lesithe nje eceleni.
Ngimina enhle le poetess.
Oh, mina enhle le poetess. Okay, uqale nini kuba I poetess?
I started grade 6, grade 6 lockdown. Ngaqala lapho. Ngase ngiyaqhubeka ngiyakhula day by day.
Okay.
Yes.
Now uqala kanjani? Khona yini lobe kakhona eceleni kukusita ukuthi this is how you should write, this is how you should recite. Noma nje ubothi ibhalela bese so reference ukuthi uyabukela ka YouTube or uvela omunye umuntu na recite ukuthi this is how it's done.
Like when nje lo lalela my music before, right? Lalela music kakhulu, those sad songs. And then when it comes to the beats, then I'll just string something up. And I was like, you know, I've got a talent. I sang ngizame when I saw. And then ngaqala ngashare my mom. And they were like, oh, sis, it's good. Ngaqala kanjalo ke kubhala. And I remember very at primary, bekuvame ukutasa sinomcebo VOC. So my teachers, Mr. Dladla especially, bavame uku-embrace ukuthi mina enhle kuta VOC, go prepare a piece. Kuta yeah.
Okay. Lakusho wathinza nale dengholo nanga bekufike baka VOC.
Yes, le dengholo bengithinta nato ngabe ba VOC.
Okay, ngivile ukuthi kubhala kwakho Tinkondlo bo lalela lama set songs. Lokusho ukuthi nini nani nje bonifuna ukusikhalisa kahle.
No, not really, not really. Bekustarta nje ukuthi yabona it's a kick off. Ngibone ukuthi hawu khamba njani.
Okay.
Yeah. Ngathi nangivala umlayeto ngathamba ngalilitela ngasima ngabhozo inhlitiyo yagitsa yathi yagidza ingadla bekuhamba basibona ngekubhaca namuhla bhaca buhle bemaswati laswaca swati ingani ligotshwa lisesemandi intfombi ithatha lidziwiyo khemandi nami ngithakasile ngathi ngithola umsebenzi kanti nabo ubuhle bemaswati ake nibuke nje imvunulo lihleti ithendi intfombi kasihlale esihlanthini hayi ecansini lele liqiniso maswati liyashisa liyasinza nasibambisene emncina sifunga sithwala li nali live lami live la kangwane live lemaswati lisho ngihlahla tilihlata tenthaba tembethe etshani mina ngiliswati di inkondlo yesimfu nethi ngibhala shangathi ngiyacisha nethi ngicisha ngicindzetela tisho netaga ngoba telapha lawo manxeba sengicetha anisemahle maswatami ngimsonkondlo kade lobhala ngesandla semathombeni mthombeni mina enhle Magagula.
Nyalo na ubhala ufocusa kuphi? Uyasikhalisa noma siyajabula noma ubuka tonke tinhlangothi?
Ngibuka tonke tinhlangothi.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Naku ke soyabhala soyafike high school uyaqhubeka na poetry. How did you introduce yourself esikolweni ukuthi I have this talent, I am a poet?
Okay, bengisolong tifihlile from 1, only my friends knew. And then mangifika form 2 I remember nje bekungafundwa kulawo malanga kade exams asicacile kubhala. So So eklasini there was this thing, talent show, from 2D talent show.
Okay.
So ngaqala introduce kanjalo ke ukuthi ngami decide ukusukuma and I shared a piece. And then bang hype up and then it started like that. During my morning assemblies, bebangicela khona eklasini because sihle siba nema assemblies eklasini. Bangicela after prayer ukuthi oh Minenhle, can you do something? Minenhle, can you do something? Yabo thishela wami ke base bayangibona ke as time went by.
Okay. So you're doing poetry la esikoleni kuphela for now noma you do attend my events or ku community yangakini you do attend?
For now bengisasela sikolweni. Yeah, bengisasela sikolweni nje ma events hala sikolweni ngiperforma kiyo kakhulu.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh,
And something great leyendeka I was able to share. Okay, lapho bengimbongi ngeKing's birthday last year.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
All right. So what ivuka njani ke lapho, we would love to know.
Yo, benginamahloni, but like I felt like, you know, the power, guys. And I was able to recite a piece. That was something big.
Okay.
Yes, so cool for me.
All right. So in the next coming years, ofisi the yini Minenhle kuba involved maybe my community services ukuthi maybe emangweni wangakini, since you have this talent of being a poetess, you are able to ukuthi ume embi kwebantfu and share what you have. Emaphupho kumbe lo nawo when it comes to usita in your community ngepoetry yakho athini?
Okay, bengineliphupho nje like nje a small vision ethi and the community, you know, gather some people laba interested, sibe group so that we can sihlangane something up yabo, as because Mass United I feel like kuba more powerful so that stokhona nekuthi ngingabi, it's not about like kube Minenhle yedwa but sibe baningi in this thing yabo.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright, so let's call it Ningwena Nonjebo yini laba lavenda tinghondo, or there are other people labetawo gini basho ukuthi bacela ukuthi nibasiphe.
Lately there was one for me nebekungumunye bacela ukuthi ngimside ngimside angathi kuthi waphele laphi, I don't know, but ngambuta. But yeah, there are kind of some few from fives but saphumile nabo who are doing poetry.
When did no become a foreign language? My screams were silenced through the advantage of